I born as a bedroom bully. Bedroom bully, y'all a wine up to me. Bully. I born as a bedroom bully. Bedroom bully for the girl bikini. I born as a bedroom bully. Bedroom bully for the girl. Hey, wine and cock up, y'all wine and cock up. Inna the dance hall, y'all a wine and cock up. Brace man a thing a call your bone no crack up. Foot right there so lift it up and cock up. Waistline tell time when you tick and tack up. Style you no short, a girl enough you have up. Love how you sexy, you round and fat up. Have your palmy base, girl, the whole place mash up. I born as a bedroom.
Witness, Naz, put us on witness.
Yes.
Just right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
On the Disney World?
Yeah, we go to Disney World. We're gonna Okay, no problem. Okay, thank you. Yeah.
Congratulations, sir.
Thank you. As you see, we just signed a deal with Busy Signal's brother, his manager. Our dem government in the Busy Signal. No, this is official now. We just signing, and we're here right now. We just made him up, and I showed Nas how this is done. You know, so we got this locked up. So basically, it's good.
Hello baby, can you come over? Right now loneliness taking over. Me need you tonight, yeah me lover. Come warm me up under the cover. Make me rock till the lampshade turn over. Rub me chest, rest your head on me shoulder. And make we listen some Anita Baker. Make love till we wake up the neighbor. Girl, you're all I need, and I'm always missing you. Miss you, miss you, miss you, miss you, baby. Miss you, miss you, miss you, miss you. I need your attention.
You're busy.
Yeah, so me and Suudi here right now, getting ready to, make a deal to come to Uganda. So,
So once somebody like you come now and represent the real stuff, that this could be well. You know what I mean? That we can actually go over there, the show, get it to the fans and deliver the music live in performance.
Exactly. I'm really excited to work with you guys. It's really a pleasure, and I'm honored to work with you guys.
yeah, man. So Signal, we are gonna try and work this thing out, and then if anything, we'll hear from you tomorrow or something like that, I'm gonna try to work this thing out, and then I'll call you back, and then me and Sardi gonna work some things out.
Something out.
You can call me back on the phone and you can whichever can over and is here with the FaceTime. So we just hook up easier hook up like, you know what I mean?
Yes man, I'm excited, right, man. Thank you very much.
Respect.
I appreciate your time.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So,
Yeah, good.
This is kind of weak.
Yeah, it's good.
Girl, you're all I need, and I'm always missing you. Miss you, miss you, miss you, miss you, baby. Miss you, miss you, miss you, miss you. I need your tenderness. I can't resist you. Miss you, miss you, miss you, miss you, baby. Me miss you, miss you, miss you.